More than able to. Hey, guess what? I got to take her for my my toolbox. Oh yes, yes. Yep, he's looking at it. He's right at it. He's opening the drawers. And I wonder if he found my card. I left a card in there that says, "Congratulations, you're on YouTube." He's looking all around, yeah. Guess what? He's going. He's got it. I'm Bill, and I'm here at Highland Hill Farm, and I'm on Ferry Road and Gordon Road. And this is one of our fields. We've been having troubles with people trespassing in, doing things, stealing. My son's house got robbed the other day. I want you to know, if you're a thief, I've been run over 3 times by trespassers. They broke my leg and tore my ligaments. I stand my ground. If you want to mix it up, you come. I'll take you on. I don't care. You can bring a gun. I'll bring my rifle. You bring your car, I'll bring my truck. Whatever which way you want to mix it up, I'm ready for you. Don't even think about stealing from this field or stealing anything you see out here, because I'm here and I'm going to enforce my property rights. I'm tired of the thieves out there stealing, and I mean business. At Highland Hill Farm, we have a lot of different kinds of trees for you. We have both deciduous and evergreen. Some of the spruces that we have are like Colorado blue spruce, Norway spruce, white spruce, Serbian, Black Hill spruce, black spruce. We also have some firs, such as Fraser, Balsam, Douglas, and concolor. Most of these are in seedling or transplants. We do have larger trees such as white pine, Norway spruce. We also sell a whole range of arborvitaes in many different sizes, from transplants up to large trees. The trees that we sell are both bare root and balled and burlapped and potted. We have thousands of them that we grow. We also have southwestern white pine, and we are noted for our green giant arborvitaes and Leland cypresses. We also have hemlocks up to 10 to 12 foot high, along with redwoods. We can also supply you with some bald cypress, larch, eastern red cedar. In the way of shrubs, we have arrowwood viburnums, bayberry, blackhaw viburnums, a whole range of viburnums, dogwoods, red, twig, silky dogwoods, elderberries. We also have forsythia, common lilacs, Japanese lilacs, Peking lilacs. We also have nannyberry, ninebark, and things such as Russian olive, which some people think is invasive. But we do sell a wide range of trees and shrubs, including winterberry holly. So give us a call at 215-651-8329 as we do deliver and plant.